I feel like I'm ready to put on my sunscreen.
Wow, get your sunglasses out. Hey, Monique here of Silver Paw Studio and founder of Pro Pet Photog, and I have been having a ton of fun slipping my GoPro in the hot shoe of my camera and getting POV, point of view, footage, and that is exactly what you're going to see today. Dog and cat photography, Luau themed, at Animal Friends Alliance. For about 7 years, I went to the shelter every single week to photograph the dog and cat adoptable animals, and it just got to be too much for my schedule. So now I go in once a month for themed photos for whatever they might need. So Jordan sent me an email saying they needed some general summertime photos for a variety of events and campaigns this summer. So we came up with this luau theme, and Jordan brought in the towel and the beach ball and the palm trees. And you can see we made a very simple set.
Oh, girl.
Good job, honey.
Oh, girl. Oh,
You can see we just took a section of Blue Savage paper and gaff taped it to the wall and to the floor. And I have my Flashpoint Explorer 600 on a stand bouncing out of the corner. Oh, thank you. I am sitting on the floor up against the wall as far as I can go. I have my Sony A1 and my 70 to 200 millimeter lens on, and aren't they doing a great job directing the dog? Hello. Hi. What's up? Come on, friend. Come on. Come on. Okay. He likes me.
Uh-oh, now he's wearing it.
Now he likes Frank. Uh-oh. His paw's through it, Frank. Oh, no. This dog was much more wiggly, but happy. Ended up kind of rolling around in the set and just had a grand time getting tangled up in its festive leis. And we changed up the set just a little bit here. So it took a little extra longer to get photos of this pup. Well, okay, hi. Jordan here discovered the secret of keeping the pup in place was just to scratch his rear end, and that worked out great. Very good. Good boy. Good boy.
Oh, you're so good.
He loves
Oh,
that.
you're so good.
Okay. Yeah, I love the beach ball there, Frank. I love building sets like this where you can put a towel in, take a towel away, the little trees, the beach ball, everything can be changed up really quickly for a whole new look. While they did use these as adoption photos for each individual dog, I tried to make sure that I got photos for marketing. So you want to make sure you get more of the blue background, just a wider area. So I don't crop them too much. So they have plenty of room to put text or anything else on these photos they need for their campaigns. Oh, sorry about the low GoPro angle on this one, but we changed it up once again. And you'll see in a moment we put up kind of a garland in the background, and this dog's neck was small enough to loop the lei twice and just have a nice loose like necklace. But he's really having a hard time in the spot. You can tell it's also partly Jordan and Frank are leading him straight back, where later on I suggested that they go in a circle, make their hand above them in a circle so he eventually points towards me. Now this pup really want to just explore. So he ended up did put a leash on him, and which I edited out in the final photos because he was a fine dog and loved all of the treats, but just was really not staying in place. So here I said, okay, let's go get his leash. After this pup, we packed everything up and went to the cat campus. So here Frank is taking the water out and seeing if Kitty wants to come out. We have our list there with the kitties that we want to photograph. And he's just really gently petting the kitty on his little bunk bed. Aw. Here's where I have my Flashpoint Explorer 600 bouncing off that corner and back onto our set. Isn't that fun how we put all the garland on there and a giant beach towel? We never know who we're going to encounter at either the cat or the dog side of the rescue. And cats will often be fewer. There's so many just in foster homes, or because we go on Mondays, they've been adopted out pretty quickly over the weekend. So we ended up, I think, with 2 kitties here. You'll see some of the footage, but they always love to kind of play and reach through the kennels. They have a really great color system on the cages too, and a lot of information about who, what their personality is like, which is really helpful. Now, this black kitty just kept turning away from me, and I didn't get any usable images in the end. He was a slow-moving kitty, but it just didn't work out. But you could see how gentle Frank is. He's just so great with the kitties. So Black Kitty just wasn't feeling it in the end. You can see how we set up in just the main adoption room, and this is during open hours. So if someone were to come in and want to see one of these kitties for adoption, we just kind of pause what we're doing, and people often walk in that back door. We just kind of make it work. If we're doing a different type of session, we'll set up in one of their admin offices, but this worked out okay. Let's see if it'll stay put. So cute. Oh, good job, kitten. Oh. Now, my main goal for adoption photos is 3 different images, but because these were going to be used in campaigns throughout the summer, I tried to get even more images, especially since this kitten was so cooperative and really did well in this little area. I bet the towel was nice and comfy and helped too. Okay, those were great. Those were so good. Good job, kitten. Ah. This was the last animal we photographed for the day. I really hope you've enjoyed this POV of shelter pet photography, luau themed. Be sure to look around this YouTube channel because I have a whole bunch more videos of me photographing dogs and cats at the shelters and for my clients and all the different sets we've built. And I try to put a variety of videos out here for you that you'll enjoy. I had a ton of fun with this set. It's very simple. Perhaps it's something you will try this summer. Now I kind of want to go get a nice cold drink and sit on a chaise lounge. How about you? Enjoy all these final images. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, okay. Is that the most adorable thing you've seen ever? Oh, he's gonna play with it. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hi. What are doing? What are doing? What are you doing? Hi. Sup? Come on, friend. Come on. Come on. Okay. He likes me.